Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new VeChain video. Minus 4.08%. Are you scared? Do you think it's gonna dump? No. This looks bullish as ever. I don't think you understand how bullish this is. This is very bullish. I'm gonna show you why. Even though this candle up here is very red, it is bullish because it's needed. Pullbacks are always welcome because that's the time when people buy. People don't buy green candles. You should never buy green candles. You should always buy red candles, and we're gonna show you why. That said, we got something called daily altcoins video where we rank 30 coins up and down every single day, like what's good, what's not, what's pumping, what's not pumping, what's going through consolidation. You know, should you buy Dodge when it's down minus 25%, and why you shouldn't buy Dodge when it's down minus 25%. But I mean, you could buy Dodge when it's down minus 25%, but you know, we talk about all kinds of stuff. So if you need some kind of help like picking coins and stuff like that, check out the Patreon link down below. Also check out the Telegram link. 3,500 members right now, trying to pump those numbers. Big group of people, very nice people, very panicky when things goes down and very excited when things goes up. So you can join us. Thanks for that, and let's get into the charts. Let's see what's actually happening with VeChain. Now VeChain, oh yeah, I forgot to say, I'm gonna do it next video. VeChain, there's a lot of lines here, very hard to see here. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna clean everything up and start from the scratch because, you know, lines are confusing. So let's first of all pop some moving averages. These lines over here, these are called moving averages. Moving averages are really nice because they act as a support and resistance. If you're above the moving averages, it's a support. If you're below, it's a resistance. Now we are above it, and even though we are going down, we are still above the 10 moving average, and that's the most important thing because you can see we here, when you started pumping, you want to be above all the moving averages. So we are above moving averages, and in this red candle that's down minus 3.83% right now, it's hitting almost the 10 moving average down here, which is actually a very good sign, and it's actually starting to be a very good buy opportunity. Of course, not a financial advice. You do your trades, I'll do my trades and stuff like that, but I'm just saying that people that do understand tech analysis, they buy on the moving averages and not above the moving averages. You don't buy up here, you don't see the price go up here, you FOMO in there, and then you go down here, and then you have to go through all of this until the price actually comes back to your buy price, right? No, you buy down here, so as soon as the price starts moving up, you're already in profits, and you can set your stop losses in profits, and you can chill out, and you can go to the beach, as you know, Koinski says, or you can do a whole range of things and not worry about here, oh, when is my price gonna come up, is price gonna come up, when it's gonna come up, you know, and up here like, oh, finally, and then like, wham. No, it's gonna go up like this. So you understand that this red candle here that's actually happening is actually pretty good for the price, because right now we are slowly moving this 10 moving average slowly upwards, and it's gonna be, it starts going faster and faster, right? So that's the plan. When you look at the charts every single day, candle by candle, it seems kind of slow, right? But I'm telling you, this is not slow, guys. This is very fast. This is gonna go very fast, and you're gonna see that. Now today is a Monday, that means that yesterday was Sunday. Sunday we had a weekly close, and we're gonna see what's actually happening with weekly close. And I don't know if you guys have been here before or not, because we have been doing VeChain videos for a very long time, ever since I think around here, very long time. It's been like 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks or something like that in a row. So VeChain went kind of parabolic. VeChain went kind of parabolic over here, and it popped the cherry here at the top. And this is something called Rsi Indicator. We also call it the rubber band indicator on this channel. When it happened there, we hit some kind of 93 levels, so we had to have some kind of pullback. And the pullback came at the same time when Bitcoin dropped hard down to 46,000. That's why before that I was quite bearish, and I thought this might actually go like on forever. Unfortunately, it happened a lot faster, so that's why you are seeing these green candles, and this candle might also turn green eventually. It looks very nice. So we are not that extended from the 10 moving average, and this RSI actually reset it all the way down to some kind of 70 levels, which are very nice levels to be before you actually start a movement upwards. You can see also here that we are around some 60 levels. This was down here was 65 levels, but 70 levels is not that high. So on the weekly chart we are still looking nice and dandy. The best case scenario is going to come once we break this level up here at 0.25. That's the all-time high on the weekly time frame. That's a very important level. Once we pass that, even on the daily time frame, it's gonna be party time. That's let's get back to the daily time frame. You can see here that's the resistance we are having up there at 0.25. Eventually we're gonna have to break that. Another resistance we are actually kind of breaking. We broke it here, broke it back. This is the second time we are actually getting rejected by it. So the thing that's actually going to be very bullish, at least for today, is if we can manage to stay above this line at 0.22. If we can stay above 0.22, a lot is actually done. And we are technically breaking this line of resistance that's been going on forever. Ever since down here, it's been going on. So this was try of the break, but this was a failure. This is second try. If we go down again, that's the second failure. You don't want to have two failures in a row. The best case scenario is just closing above 0.22, and then third candle here should be green. And if you get green candle and then red candle above the support line and then the green candle again, that becomes a super bullish signal that this actually broken 0.22 line, and we can look for the next line that's at 0.25 all the way up there. That said, everything right now is going through something called a rising wedge. What kind of rising wedge we have here? It looks like maybe something like this. Give or take, maybe we should use something like this. There is also, and then you got this bottom line down here. I'm not quite sure. This looks like a channel. Maybe it's also a channel, but I think it's closer to the wedge, something like this. I think a lot of coins are going through the exact same thing, including Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin, so you can see that we are actually hitting this bottom side. We can also go all the way down to 0.21 down on the daily, down to the 10 moving average. No problem yet. The pullback is needed because we are hitting this upper resistance up here. There is also another line of resistance that's going up here, something like this. I think that's also important, but this one is actually coming from the 4-hourly. No, this one is quite bad. You know what, I'll have to review this off camera when I'm all alone and doing my thing. Then I'll check this, how this is working out, but there should be some kind of a resistance line. I think that's the line. That's the line also. That might also be some kind of wedge, but it might also be this one over here, right? That also might be, because it is like these three really nicely. So where is this one, which, if this line should be there or not, like maybe this is the better wedge, maybe this is the better wedge, so we're gonna leave it. Either way, this looks super bullish. I don't know how to explain it to you, but I know we are below the 10 and 20 on the 4-hourly. Here's the 50 moving average just coming for us. On the 4-hourly, 50 moving average is really important, so as long as we are above 50 moving average, all looks nice and dandy. Super bullish, cannot be any more bullish on this than I am, so I am that bullishness itself. Come back tomorrow, subscribe to the channel, we're gonna see what's happening with the green red candle. Was I right? Was I not right? That's important. I think it's actually pretty good. Looks pretty good. -4% is it's a perfect pullback for the next move up. That said, check out the Patreon and Telegram link down below. Join the Telegram channel, lots of nice people over there. And thank you for watching. I appreciate the watch all the way through. That's the best kind of support I can get. You know, likes and subscriptions. That's support. That's nice. But just watching my videos all the way through is actually the best kind of support. So I appreciate that. Thanks guys, and see you around in the next VeChain video. Bye bye.